Good day, everyone. So for today, let me add the two methods for a singly linked list. The first one is remove lasts, and the second one is remove for any item. So let's have first the remove last. So what are the consideration when we do the remove last? Number one, your list could be empty. So if your list is empty, then let's do nothing. Number two, your list has only one node, so count is 1. So with that, with this case, it has only one node, and head and tail are pointing to this node. So for example, if the value is 5 and then the next is pointing to nothing, so simply we will let head and tail point to nothing, so that nothing is pointing to this object anymore. So that is if we have only one node for our list. The third possibility is we have two or more nodes, so such as this one. Example, you have these lists. So example 3, 4, 5. So head points to this first node, and we have the tail here. So if this is the case, if we have two or more nodes, what we're going to do is to create a reference variable that's such as p, and then let this p point to the node where head is pointing, and then let that p traverse the list until such time it will reach to the node before the tail. So once nga naan na siya nag-point sa node before the tail, stop the loop, and then your tail now should point to where p is pointing, and then so that this last node can be disconnected, so i-point nimo si your right p dot set next point to nothing, and then do not forget to have the count minus minus because you are removing an element. Okay, so let's now start the demonstration on the remove last. So for the remove last, first is diba we have to check if our list is not empty. So you write there, if not empty. So if it is not empty, then we have to check. We have to check if it is not empty, because we will do nothing if the list is empty. And then next atong i-check is whether count is just equal to 1. So if count is just equal to 1, then the tail reference and the head reference should point to nothing. Otherwise, if we have two or more nodes linked to each other, so let's do this. SLL node, and then P points to head, and then while your P dot get next, while your P dot get next is not equal to the tail, okay, because we have to stop man before the tail, no? While it's not equal to the tail, then you have to move your P. Okay, so just keep it moving. So once nga naan na siya before the tail, you stop. So once nag-stop na, tail should point now to wherever P is pointing, and then because tail and P now are pointing to the same node, so ato nang i-disconnect ang last node. So P dot set next, then put there now. So after that, do not forget to do the count minus minus. So that's it. We should put the count minus minus on this part here. It should be here. because this is the partner of this curly brace here, and the partner for the checking whether it's not empty is this one. So it should be here because there are two possibilities, no? Our list could have only one node, or it could have two or more nodes. The second method is we have the remove tapos whatever is the item. So let's assume that for example, you will write remove and then specify there 5. So possibilities are, these are the different cases now when we remove an item. So it's possible that the item is not found in the list. So if that is the case, do nothing. So example, you have let's say 6, 7, then 8. So 5 is not in the list, therefore you do nothing. Another case is 5 is there and then 5 is located. Example, you have there 5 and then 6, then 7. So the location of 5 is in the first is in the head, so we can call the remove first, no? We can call the remove first if the item is found in the beginning. It is also possible that the item is found at the tail. So example, you have 4, 6, and then the last node has the value 5. So if it is the case, you would like to remove 5 and then 5 is in the tail, so we can call the remove lasts. Another possibility is it is possible that the value you would like to remove is at the middle. So if it is the case, then there should be what? A variable that will should have two variables, no? You should have two variables. A variable that hold the value before, and okay, another variable. So this one will point this one directly, diba? Na siya dapat. So we can have here prev, and then this one is p. Okay, so let's try that one. Okay, so let's have now the implementation of the remove item. So to remove any item, because this type of list will accept duplicate values, no, or multiple values, such as when you have already added 5, it will still accept 5. So meaning to say the first 5 will be removed, diba? So to remove an item from the list, again, our assumptions or the different cases could be the list is empty, or it is also possible that the item is not in the list. So let's handle these different cases. So first is we will check if our list is empty or not empty. So we have to check first is our list is not empty, because we will not remove anything from an empty list. So if it is not empty, first is once we are now sure that the list is not empty, then let's check, because it's possible that the first element could be equal to the item. So if it is the case that the first element is equal to the item, then we will simply call the method remove first. Yan. So wala na tayo dagang huna-hunaon, simply call the remove first. Otherwise, it could be that the last element could be the last element is equal to the item to be. remove. So if it is the case, then we will simply call the remove lasts. Otherwise, the item could be found or not found in the list, diba? So nag if sa ta para dili siya dugay ba, o of 1 lang ang iyahang running time. Otherwise, if ever the item is really found in the list, so else if the item is found, so you write there is found and then pass the item. So kung naagid siya, then ato siyang i-remove. How to remove? We will prepare two references. First reference, we will name it prev, and then let prev points to where head is pointing, and then let's have another reference, let's call it p, which will point to head that get next. So duha ka book nagsunod. Ang first is ngadto sa head, ang ikaduha kay ngadto sa node after the head. Dayon, we will check because diba we are sure that the item is already there. Kay mosud ra man siya diri kung ang item is found. So because we are sure nga the item is just there and we have to remove that. So let's write there while p dot get info, diba, to get the value we will use get info man. So p dot get info while it is not equal to the item. Okay, while it is not equal to the item, then let prev move. So prev receives prev that get next and also the p, so p dot get next. So once the p dot get info is not anymore equal to the item, so while p dot get info, no, this will loop. So once nga nag-equal na sila, your loop or this loop will stop. So once nga nag-stop na ang loop, what you're going to do is you write there prev dot set next. Mo point siya sa next ni p, not to p but to the next of p. And ayan, so okay na. And then do not forget to do the count minus minus because we are removing. P dot get next. Ayan. So here, for example, we will remove. So our list has 10, and if we remove 10, okay, so 10 is deleted. If we remove 6, so 6 is deleted. If we remove 5, which is found at the head, so the first 5 is deleted.